Welcome to Healthy by Heath. Today we're going to be making my specialty, which is chili. The very first thing I ever cooked, I remember going on a camping trip with my dad. He made some chili, he put some beer in it and that kind of stuff. You know, it was like the 80s, so people just kind of did that kind of stuff. Plus it burns off. And then I found out later on when I was adding beer to my own chili, it actually didn't taste that great because it just didn't taste that great. So I started making my own variations of the chili. And so tonight, what I'm going to do is show you the variation of my chili that is very popular, in demand, and very tasty. You're going to enjoy it. It is not vegan, but it is very good chili. And if you want to make it vegan, just don't put in the beef and the pork. You can instead put in different items, different vegetables that will enhance the flavor. I try to stay away from doing a lot of tofu stuff because everybody does tofu stuff. So maybe just do a whole bunch of thick mushrooms or squash, pumpkin. It's almost October. That'd be a good idea. So today though we're making a regular chili and we're going to be watching the Sea Lion game tomorrow. So I'm excited.